If Telegram is lagging, freezing, or running slow on your iPhone, no worries. In this video, I'll show you quick and effective ways to fix Telegram lag on iPhone. First, check your internet connection. Try to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and see which one works better. If you're using a VPN or proxy app, turn it off and ensure you are on the latest version. If that does not work, then follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check for a server outage. Before changing any settings, verify if the problem is on Telegram. Open Safari on your iPhone and go to downdetector.com. Type the name of Telegram in the search box. Analyze the graph. A huge spike in the last hour indicates a widespread outage. Read comments. Scroll to the bottom to see real-time comments from other users. If the server is down, then wait until it's okay. Solution 2. Clear Telegram cache. Now open Telegram and go to Settings, then go to Data and Storage. Tap Storage Usage. Clear entire cache. Once cleared, turn airplane mode off and try again. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Go to iPhone settings, then go to General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. This won't delete your data, but it will reset all network connections. I think it's going to work. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more fixes. Thanks for watching.